So in today's video, we are going to talk about the 3 best things about living in Tel Aviv. It's been so long since we've spoken and I've missed you very much. So the first thing I need you to do is hit the subscribe button and leave a comment on this video about some other videos that I should be making. That being said, let's get into it. The first thing that I love about living in Tel Aviv, the great thing about living in Tel Aviv, is going to be that it's a very lively place. There's over 1 million people who live in Tel Aviv, and it seems like on a Thursday afternoon, on a Thursday evening, depending on where you are, all of them are out and about in the city at the same time. So whenever you go to a central location, for example, the Dizengoff Center or Rothschild Boulevard, or any of the locations in Tel Aviv, for the most part, the central Tel Aviv, you're going to see thousands of people walking around, living their lives, smiling, laughing, arguing, and very hustling, bustling, if that's a word. There's so many people, so it's a crowded place. It's a very lively place, and I really enjoy that aspect. I'm much more of a city guy than a country guy. So if you like a hustle and bustle, if you like a busy place, then Tel Aviv is just that for you. So the second thing that I like about living in Tel Aviv is the beach. Tel Aviv is actually a city right on the waters of the Mediterranean Sea. And if you've never been to Israel, which maybe you haven't, then you would be surprised how beautiful the beach is. And for sure, almost all of the year you can go into the water. It's crystal clear, it's perfectly blue, it's warm most of the time. Not in the dead of winter, but it is warm most of the time. Certainly over the Atlantic Ocean or the Pacific Ocean or many other oceans, the Mediterranean Sea is beautiful. It's something that I really love engaging in and going to and enjoying the sunsets. It's simply magnificent. I would highly recommend to put it on a list of things you get to do if you ever come to Israel, is to check out a Tel Aviv beach. The third piece is the weather. The weather is absolutely beautiful, gorgeous, phenomenal. It's sunny almost every day of the year. I would say it rains in Tel Aviv maybe 10 days, 15 days out of the year. And right now, making this video, it's the middle of December, or I'm sorry, it's the middle of January. And it's perfectly warm outside, it's sunny. You can wear a t-shirt outside right now in the middle of January and walk around in Tel Aviv. You can wear shorts outside if you want. You can enjoy the sunshine, not very windy, definitely no snow, almost never any rain, and you can always enjoy a walk outside. And yeah, that's my update for you guys. Hit the subscribe button, leave your comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.